Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2016 Harley Davidson XL 1200 Sportster T Superlow Edition. Wow. This bike has just has 2,800 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. With the low miles on it, this bike is still really in excellent condition. Tires are in great shape, plenty of miles left on them. Comes with highway bars, a clear quick release windscreen, it comes with factory mid controls with oversized pegs, aftermarket pipes, an oil temperature gauge, Viking saddlebags. There's the other pipe. Rear tire as well, looks good. Looks like it's got plenty of life left in it. And again, mid controls with the oversized pegs, highway bars, as well as 10-inch mini apes. And then again, our clear windscreen. Show you those miles now. 2,800 is what's on this bike. This 2016 Sportster 1200T will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.